Welcome students. In today's lecture, we will learn about switch case statement. In this statement, switch and case, these two keywords are used, and due to this statement is called as a switch case statement. It is one of the branching type of statement or decision making type of statements. In last lecture, we already learned simple if and if else statements. In today's class, we will learn about switch case statement. So here is the syntax for switch case statement. Here switch is a keyword. Expression is nothing but the input that we take as a choice from the user, and this case choice or this choice value is testing with the case number. If it is matching with the case number, then the statement block which is present below that case will be executed. Here is the break statement. When that statement block will be executed, after the execution of that statement block, the control is transmitted below the next statement. It means that we are break from the switch statement. इथे स्विच हे कीवर्ड आहे. एक्सप्रेशन म्हणजे आपण यूजरकडून एक व्हॅल्यू घेणार आहोत, जी म्हणजे आपल्या केस नंबरशी टेस्ट करण्यासाठीची चॉईस असेल. जेव्हा कर्ली ब्रॅकेट ओपन केला, त्याच्या आतमध्ये जे केस नंबर दिलेले आहेत, आपण मल्टिपल केस नंबर घेऊ शकतो. आपण दिलेल्या सिंटॅक्समध्ये केस 1 आणि केस 2 घेतलेले आहेत. खाली केस n असं लिहिलेलं आहे. याचा अर्थ वी कॅन टेक मोर दॅन 1 केस नंबर अकॉर्डिंग टू अवर चॉईस. आणि ज्या केस नंबरला दिलेल्या एक्सप्रेशनची व्हॅल्यू मॅच होते, त्या केस खालचा स्टेटमेंट ब्लॉक स्टेटमेंट नंबर एक्झिक्यूट होईल आणि त्यानंतर आपण स्विच ब्रॅकेटमधून ब्रेक होतो. जर दिलेल्या एक्सप्रेशन व्हॅल्यू कुठल्याच केस नंबरला मॅच नाही झाली, in that situation, whatever the statements present below the default, that statements will be executed. So it is the syntax of switch case statement. Here is the example. In this example, hash include iostream, it is our header file declaration. int main, from here the definition of main function is starting. In this program, we take two variables, number 1 and number 2, as integer. In this program, we add these two numbers. That addition we will store in add. In this program, we will take sub as a variable, and the subtraction of these number 1 and number 2 variables are stored in sub. Here in the same program, we also multiply these two numbers, number 1 multiplied by number 2, and whatever the output we get, that output is stored in as a multi. Here the another variable is present, that is choice. In this choice, though in this program add, sub and multi, it means that addition, subtraction and multiplication, all these operations are present, but in the program we can perform only one operation at a time, and which type of operation number we want to perform, that type or case number we can store as a choice. Now in the program, we display one message, enter two numbers. In front of this message, we will take two variables, two values, number 1 and number 2 as input. Next we take enter choice. It means that here we can take the input as a operation number as a choice. That operation number we tally with the choice in the switch. Here switch choice means whatever the value the user give as an input, that value is testing here. If that value is matching with case 1, then the addition operation will be executed, and whatever the result we get, that will be displayed as a addition equals to. If our choice number is matching with case 2, then the subtraction operation will be performed, and whatever the subtraction we get, that is stored as a sub. If our choice value is matching with case 3, the multiplication operation will be performed, and whatever the multiplication we get as a result, that will be stored as a multiplication equals to. And each time just a single operation will be executed, and we will break. If our case choice is not matching with any of the case number, then whatever the message will be displayed here, that will be default, under default, and that message will be please give the choice number 1 or 2 or 3. It means that in this program there are 3 choice operations are performed, but at one time we can perform just a single operation at a time, and the curly bracket of switch and the curly bracket of main function will be executed. So this is the execution of switch case statement. I hope all of you understand this point. If you have any doubt or problem, please comment me for this. So take care and thank you.